नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज के वीडियो ब्लॉग में हम आपको दिखाएंगे आईएचएम हमीरपुर में बेक द बेकर कंपटीशन का शुभारंभ हुआ और उसमें लगभग 8 टीमों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया और तरह तरह के जो उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट जो है बेकरी के तैयार किए। अभी हम आपको आगे वीडियो में दिखाएंगे। सबसे पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, यदि आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को भी दबा लें ताकि समय समय पर जो मेरे द्वारा डाली गई वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2,
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Bete, explain it please.
Yes, please explain artisan bread.
So arc-en-ciel basically it's a French word which means rainbow colors. So we have tried the original colors like orange, red and yellow and the white. So it will give a different colors to it. And this is basically the traditional shapes, and this is the snail shape, and these are the breads. Basically these are the hard shapes. So this is a braid shape.
Little waste, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
What
screen.
Why have you named it as rainbow?
Because we have added some decorative walls.
Only for decoration you have named it rainbow.
No sir, we will add the decorative walls, sir. So the color of the decorative
What color?
walls. Yes.
Actually, this is only whipped cream with sugar.
Eggs and eggs.
Egg and yes, perfect.
Add egg.
No, फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट है सर, तो अभी इनको इतना टाइम हुआ फिर भी काफ़ी कर लिया, तो बढ़िया.
First
of all, I would like to congratulate each one of you. Done a great job, and I would also like to thank on behalf of Team IHM HAMIRPUR, sir, for joining us. He is principal in one of the government schools, and on top of that, his son is also studying with us in first year. Okay, so this was again a time for us to showcase, for him to see what future students. मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा अगर बच्चों के लिए जो आपने देखा आज,
तो अपना लगा आपने बुलाया है ना, और देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा. आप सभी को इस कार्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं, और आपको आगामी जीवन के लिए भी शुभकामनाएं कि आप अच्छे अच्छे स्थानों पर काम करें. देखने में सारी बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी. अभी बहुत सी चीज़ एग था नहीं तो मैं भी टेस्ट करता, लेकिन अभी नवरात्रि लगे हुए तो अगली बार जब आऊँगा जरूर टेस्ट करूँगा. ठीक है, आपको शुभकामनाएं.
क्योंकि इनका ज़रूरी नहीं है कि प्रोडक्शन में जाए. आपका ये जो बिजनेस, ये जो चीज़ है ना बेकरी, ये आप एज एंटरप्रेन्योर भी अपना काम, दिस इज़ अ मोस्ट टेक्निकल थिंग, और जहाँ पे आप अंदर करते हो छोटे स्केल पे, ज़रूरी नहीं है बेकरी, छोटे छोटे स्केल पे आप घरों से ये बिज़नेस, साइड बिजनेस आप काम करो, और घर से डेली का अगर एक ऑर्डर मिल जाए ऑन एन एवरेज, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का काम है. ज़रूरी नहीं है दूसरों के लिए. हाँ, कुछ टेक्निकलिटीज़ लर्न करने के लिए आप थोड़ा शुरुआत में काम कर सकते हो, 1-2 साल. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me.